Right, morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Chris at Rose Ironworks, and today I think we're officially starting the winter edition. It's hoodies and overalls times now, and the hat's out. So yeah, on site today, doing a bit of mobile work. Got the setup and all the gear. Got the mobile workshop out today. Took me about an hour to load it last night. It's a blooming nightmare when you've forgotten how to do everything and you're still recovering from busted hand. Right, hang on, overalls are a bit twisted. What's going on there? Don't know. Clothing's fighting back. Right, yeah, so today we are repairing a rather knackered horsebox frame. It's one of these old rice horsebox trailers. So the client basically converts these into mobile bars, etc. And as you can see, this one has been fitted with this special fresh air edition angle. I think the tin worm's been having a go at this. So this side's even worse. I have to be careful what I'm showing you here. There you go. Oh look, see me through the holes. So it's going to be Mr. Choppy Choppy and Mr. Cutty Cutty, Mr. Grindy Grindy, and I think we'll have to engage the safety squints today. So fortunately the client has, I'm just going to be careful what I film here. The client's put it up on some scaffold for me, so it's at nice working height, so no bending down, which is cool. Yes, that was a London bus you just saw. No, I can't show you anymore. So we got the mobile workshop out. All the stuff. Weirdly today, the local DNO, Western Power, is supposed to be turning the power off to this site. They're doing some work down the road. For those of you that don't live in the UK that watch my channel, we're finally having a what's called HS2 high-speed railway built across the country, London to Birmingham or something like that. About 50 years too late, really. I mean, look at that, you know, the Japanese bullet train, it's about 50 years old, and the French TGV and all that, and it's like we're only just getting around to it. So sorry everyone, we're a bit behind the times here in England. Well, no, I'm not sorry, it's the government that should be sorry, they're absolute rubbish. But anyway, yeah, so we've got a bit of plasma cutting to do, get the needle scabbler gun out, make a racket, get on with it. I'm going to be using the generator today because just because I don't want any issues if they do start messing around with the high voltage cables here. I don't want any spikes going up my gear. We'll get on with it. And by the looks of it at the moment, for some reason, we've got some free range ducks. Where is it? Free range ducks to scare. So they'll be going shortly. Right, see you in a bit. Right. We're getting on with it. We've done one side. There we go, near bit of angle. Very nice bit of 70-18 we went with in the end. Bit windy now, so I've put the MIG away, so doing everything to stick. So yeah, so this side's all pretty much ready to go. Axles have got new bolts in already, but I'm not doing them all. I'm not worrying about this hole in the axle plate because it is really thick there actually still. There's loads of meat. The client's not that bothered either, and it's not having horses in it again, so yeah, so we have to put some little web pieces in. Not very not the easiest to get in there underneath, but there's going to be a floor going in here, so I'm just doing some controlled violence on this side now. I'm trying to rip the other one off. I have to do it in sections. That's a combination of blasting it with a plasma cutter and then chopping through with the grinder. Try not to leave too much mess. The scars, there you go, scars on there, but they'll all be covered up, all be gone with the new steel that's in there. Yeah, so we're getting on with it. Just give my ears a rest from the generator today. Turns out that the DNO hasn't turned the power off, yeah, but I thought I'll give it a run today anyway because it hasn't been run for ages. So blast the muck out the cylinder. Yeah, the little Rogue's doing beautiful. She's doing a good job, and we're getting on with it really. So I'm just going to carry on with the other side, and then the last job I've got to do is at the back here. This corner from here going across, there's a cross member got to go in across there at the back, so let's just place another piece of angle and then we're pretty much done for the day. The only other thing I have spotted, which I think the client will probably notice, is these are all shot. You can see there's no meat left on that bolt at all. It's long since gone, so we'll run the stick weld around them and all, strengthen all that lot up for him. Yeah, and then I've got another job I'm going to be doing here, but I can't film it at the moment. It's something different and it's a bit of a vehicle job. So yeah, there we go. Right, I'm going to sign off for now and get on with some controlled violence. Bye.